Blueberries, often referred to as superfoods, are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. These small, vibrant fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. This article delves into the medical benefits of blueberries, highlighting why they deserve a regular spot in your meals. Nutritional profile: blueberries are low in calories but high in essential nutrients. A typical 1 cup serving, about 148 grams, contains approximately 84 calories, 21 grams of carbohydrates, and 4 grams of fiber. They are also a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and skin health. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. Manganese, a mineral that plays a role in metabolism and bone formation. Antioxidant properties: one of the most notable benefits of blueberries is their high antioxidant content. Blueberries are rich in flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Heart health: blueberries contribute to heart health in several ways. Research suggests that regular consumption of these berries can lower blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants in blueberries also help improve endothelial function, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Brain health: consuming blueberries may have protective effects on brain health. Studies indicate that the antioxidants found in blueberries may help delay brain aging and improve cognitive function. Regular intake has been associated with better memory and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. A diet rich in blueberries may enhance communication between brain cells, promoting overall brain health. Anti-inflammatory effects: chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Blueberries possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. The antioxidants in blueberries work to inhibit inflammatory markers, potentially leading to improved health outcomes. Blood sugar control: blueberries can also play a role in blood sugar regulation. Research shows that the fiber and antioxidants in blueberries may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. This makes blueberries a suitable fruit choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Digestive health: blueberries are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, the fiber content helps support a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall health. Skin health: the vitamins and antioxidants present in blueberries can benefit skin health as well. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The anti-inflammatory properties of blueberries can also assist in reducing skin irritations and promoting a healthy complexion. Weight management: incorporating blueberries into your diet can be beneficial for weight management. They are low in calories while high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. Adding blueberries to your meals or snacks can help curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. Conclusion: the medical benefits of blueberries are vast and varied, making them a powerful addition to a balanced diet. From their antioxidant properties to their positive effects on heart and brain health, these small berries pack a significant nutritional punch. Whether enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, or baked into healthy treats, blueberries are a delicious way to enhance your overall health. So, consider adding this superfood to your diet to take advantage of its numerous health benefits.